Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to trade a pullback, in the right way. So let's dive right into the video. Looking at the chart now, so we are going to mark out our major resistance on the daily time frame, on the 4-hourly time frame, then we'll go to 1-hour time frame to find out our pullback. So let's mark out our major resistance, support and resistance on the daily time frame. So we mark out this zone. This is the highest point that the price have gotten on the daily time frame. So we are going to mark out many support and resistance. We have another resistance here. See how price came and tested it, then price dropped. Then we are going to mark out our next support and resistance zone, which is here, and our final support and resistance zone for the on daily time frame is on this particular zone here. This particular zone, this is our support and resistance on the daily time frame. So we are now going to step down on 4-hourly time frame to see price in a bigger picture. So on the 4-hourly time frame, this is where we determine our market structure. If you are new to trading market structure, when we talk about higher highs and higher lows, we have a high. Then when price comes down, we have a low. When price break the most recent high, then we have a higher high. This zone, this high now, when price breaks this most recent high and make a new high, we have what? A higher high. This is what we have on the 4-hourly time frame. So we are going to mark out our support and resistance on the 4-hourly time frame too. So we have our major support and resistance here on the 4-hourly time frame. So let's change the color for easy understanding. We are going to use this green color here as our 4-hourly time frame. So then we'll mark out our what? Market structure. If you see, market have dropped here, testing our 4-hourly support and resistance, and price start making what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, which automatically means that on 4-hourly time frame we are in an uptrend. on the 4-hourly time frame. Today's class is how to trade a pullback on the right way. So in this, we draw our trend line on the 4-hourly time frame. So we draw our trend line here. So this is where the question comes: how to enter a pullback the right way. If you watch, the price have moved here. In trend line, we only need 2 touches. This is our first touch here. This is our second touch. So when price comes on the 3rd touch, we are entering. So is where we are going to trade. Then where the question comes: how do we know that the pullback is over? Because the price moved from here to here, then start pulling back from this place up to here. How do we know that this pullback is over? In this video, we are going to take it down to 1 hour and see what the price is saying on the 1 hour. If you look at this price made a high, made a higher low, try to make a higher high on the 1-hour time frame, but failed. But price failed to make a higher high, creating this change of structure here, and start making a low, made a lower high, made a lower low, made a lower high, made a lower low. If you see price action in this form, how do you then know? Because our major trend is an uptrend. We know when to enter the market. Let's assume that we met this market when the price was here, when price was at this very point here. So how do we know the pullback is over? So this is where we go to our 15 minutes time frame. Then we'll go down to 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, we are now seeing the price on a cleaner level. So we have this break of structure we had on 1 hour time frame, and price start tanking. Price was making low, lower high, lower low, lower high, another lower low. At this point, for us to spot that the pullback is over, we are going to look at the most recent high, a break of most recent high. If you watch, when price dropped at this trend line, here, we'll have this bullish candle here that made this high, this single high here. Then we'll have another low with this single candle. Then we have a massive pump to the upside, breaking this most recent high here. So what is the market telling us? That the pullback is over. The pullback is over. If you watch, we take our structure from the 4 hourly time frame, then we take the current market behavior on the 1 hourly time frame, then we'll find our entry on the 15 minutes time frame. Then what are you looking at for on the 15 minutes time frame? You are looking at for a break of the most recent high on the 15 minutes time frame, which is this zone. If you watch this candle, this bearish candle that dropped and rejected, then price tried to push down but failed and gave us this bullish candle, that a bullish candle. Then price tried to pull down again but failed. Then we have a massive pump to the upside, breaking the most recent high at this very point. At this point, we know that the pullback is over. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for a little pullback. See, a pump to the upside, then a pullback. It is at this pullback that we start entering. When this candle closes and give us another, when this candle is pulling back, don't rush and enter at this pullback. Already our confirmation has been made. By the break of the most recent high. So we are going to wait for a pullback. Then we wait for a bullish presence. Which is here, which is this candle here. If you see this bullish engulfing candle here, it was at this candle that you may see this candle closes. Then we load it up. Then we put our long indicator here. Then 25 pips stop loss. Then we are targeting times 2 of what we are risking. So we will target 50 pips. 50 pips exactly at this point. So this is our take profit. This zone now is our take profit.